Gonna fix a fender for Nissan Altima. You see, this is the bumper that been to an accident, damage. You see, and we're gonna use the new fender right here. Replacement parts fender for Nissan Altima. Check it out, y'all. See, I got a bunch of tools to try to fix the fender for Nissan Altima. So we're gonna do it step by step, y'all, and replace it with a new fender parts. So let's get started. I'm gonna do it step by step, y'all. Pop up the hood. See if we could fix the fender. Do it step by step. So Nissan Altima. So this is where the damage at. Left fender is crashed. So we're going to replace it with a new fender. Got my tools here. See here? We're going to do it little by little. So we're going to open up the door. We got to go take out the screws that's in here to get to the fender. See the bolts on the side? We're going to do it little by little. Okay, going to take the cables from the fender. I use the cable so we could hold the fender up. So I'm going to take the cable wire off to release it, so I'll be able to take the damaged fender off. It's going to be a major work, but it's have to be done so the car don't look ugly. Get the damaged fender out and put the new fender. Accident happened, so we replace it with a new fender and get the old fender that's damaged out the Nissan Altima. You see, it's a crashed fender, so we're gonna do it little by little. So I'm using the toolbox. Get the right tools. I'm gonna use this one to release this bolt. Okay, I got this bolt loose. You see? See the bolt? Do everything step by step. Gotta fix the bumper, y'all. Doing everything step by step. Okay, I got the bumper almost loose. I already took out the bottom of the bolts, so the bumper gonna come out. See, it's loose. Almost getting there. Okay, y'all, the bumper is out, so I gotta replace the bumper. See? Check it out. So little by little, I'm gonna fix it. I took out the damaged headlights. I'm gonna disconnect the circuit outlet, and I took out the damaged left fender, and I'm gonna replace it with a new headlights and a new fender. Okay, I took the damaged headlights out. I got a new one and gonna replace it with a new headlights. You're gonna see it from before and after. Okay, I'm gonna disconnect the lights, and we're gonna replace it with a new headlights. So I'm gonna disconnect the lights and get rid of the damaged headlight. Replace the headlights with a new one, and the left fender with a new one. I have the parts already, so we're gonna do it step by step, y'all. Check it out. Production, check it out. I fixed the bumper. See? Also the fender is fixed. It's a complete job. Replaced the fender and the bumper. Now I'm gonna put a new headlights. The headlight's gonna go here. Finish with the bumper. See? New bumper, new fender. Now the car is repaired. I fixed the fender, the left fender, and I fixed the bumper. You see it? It's repaired. So everything look intact, everything look nice and neat.